Bristol Community College, Mathematics with Dan Avedikian, Math 060, Topics in Developmental Mathematics, Section 2.1, Problem 31. This is Section 2.1, Problem 31. It says convert the improper fraction 83 over 6 to a mixed number. So a mixed number, we want a number and a fraction. And the way we do that is divide the denominator, which in this problem is 6, into the numerator, which is 83. So now 6 divides into 8 only once. 1 times 6 is 6. 8 minus 6 is 2. So now bring down the next number, which is a 3. 6 divides into 23. Doesn't quite make it 4 times. 6 times 4 is 24. So 1 less than 4, it would be 3. 3 times 6 is 18. 23 minus 18 is 5. So my remainder becomes the new numerator. That's the 5. And the number that was the denominator, the 6, stays the denominator. So I have 13 and 5 over 6. So 13 and 5 over 6 is equivalent to 83 over 6.